Remember the past? When this was the future? Well, it's back in the present, from the future past. But micro! Microspace Classics! Oh my gosh, I idolize you! You're like the original Starship guy. Will you sign my hull?
Sure, but won't it come off on re-entry?
Yeah. Never mind. I'll come find you again with my radar and this thing that goes beep 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 boop boop boop.
Okay, gonna take off now. Bye.
Oh, bye. I'll find you.
Microspace Classics.
I've got little spaceships inside of me.
I transform.
Let's get space married.
Microspace Classics. Yeah, why is yours shaped like a dinosaur?
Why is yours not shaped like a dinosaur?
No, that doesn't make any sense.
Dinosaur with rockets.
Yeah, okay.
Space dinosaur.
Yeah, got it.
Dinosaur.
Space dinosaur.
Yeah. Microspace Classics. Freeze.
What? Why? I didn't do anything.
You're clearly the bad guy.
Oh yeah? Where does it say that, huh? Does it say that on the box?
No.
Oh, in the catalog?
Not exactly, but you totally look bad.
That is profiling, mister. I want your badge number.
Okay, sorry. It's 011 010 101 1.
Binary, huh? Just like your worldview, mister! Microspace Classics! You can make it happen. Go here. Sign in or make a profile. It's totally worth it. Support and get Microspace Classics to 10,000 supporters. Or we kill the robot.
Oh no.